Question number 5 of exercise 6.1. Question 5 is in figure 6.17. This is figure 6.17. In this figure, POQ is a line. It is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. Ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. What does this line mean? This line means this angle is 90 degree and this complete angle is also 90 degree. This complete angle is also, we can make this angle as 90 degree. Now, OS is another ray. OS is another ray lying between rays OP, this ray and this ray. OS is a ray that lies between OP and OR. Now prove that angle ROS. Where is angle ROS? ROS. It means this angle. This angle is equal to 1 by 2 half of this, and QOS. Angle QOS means angle QOS. This complete angle minus angle POS. POS. This angle. Okay. So I am rubbing and again I am telling you. You understand what we have to prove and what is given. Given is OR is perpendicular to PQ. It means if a ray is perpendicular to a line, it means angle QOR. Angle QOR is equal to 90 degree and angle POR. Angle POR is also 90 degree. Okay, this is given. And to prove, what do we have to prove? Angle, write down here, to prove angle ROS is equal to 1 by 2 angle QOS minus angle POS. Now, how will we proceed? First of all, see, this is OR and this is S. Okay. Now see, I am taking angle QOR. Angle QOR is equal to 90 degree. I can write QOR as if I will subtract this angle, if I will subtract this angle from this complete angle. I have this complete angle, and if I will subtract this part, then I was left, or I will be left with only this angle, and this angle is 90 degree. This is given. So in place of angle QOR, I can write angle QOS, that is QOS minus from this complete angle I will subtract angle ROS, and this value will give you angle QOR, and angle QOR is 90 degree. So I can write as this. This is first equation. Okay, now come to this point. Angle POR is equal to 90 degree. Where is angle POR? Angle POR. And see, this POR, I am rubbing this part now. Angle POR. Okay, this complete angle is made up of these two angles. So in place of POR, I can write angle POS this part plus angle ROS this part. So in place of POR, I can write angle POS plus angle ROS, and this is equal to 90 degree. That is given. So this is second equation. Okay, understand what we are doing? In place of angle QOR, I am taking first this complete angle and then I am subtracting this part. So I will get this part. And in place of POR, this angle will made up with these two angles. So I can add POS plus SOR or ROS. Now see that we have to prove that angle ROS is equal to 1 by 2 and this value. So first of all, we will evaluate the value of angle ROS from these two equations. So from first equation, we can write as angle QOS, and this 90 degree will come in left hand side with negative side. This will equal to, this ROS will go to right hand side in positive. So this is the value of angle ROS from equation first. I can write angle QOS as it is. This 90 degree will come to left hand side with negative side, and this ROS value will come to right hand side with positive sign. Similarly, I can evaluate the value of ROS from equation 2. So value of ROS is angle 90 degree minus POS is equal to angle ROS. Okay, this is fourth equation. Angle ROS is equal to 90 degree and this POS will come to that side in negative sign. Now add equation 3 and equation 4. If I add these two equations, so angle QOS minus 90 degree plus this left hand side is 90 degree minus POS is equal to angle ROS plus angle ROS. Now 90 and 90 opposite signs, so I can cancel. So it will give you angle QOS minus angle POS is equal to 2 times of angle ROS. Or simply we can write the value of ROS is angle ROS is equal to, this 2 will come in this side with division sign. So it will give you 1 by 2 and this will be RCT, angle QOS minus angle POS. And this was we have to prove. So we are at our solution. Hence prove angle ROS is equal to 1 by 2 angle QOS minus angle POS.